Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study bases. In the previous video, we have studied about acids, different types of acids, properties, and uses of acids. Our next heading is bases. You have seen some substances like soaps, shampoos, cleansing agents in your homes. They are slippery to touch. Okay, टच करने में वो ऐसे होते हैं जैसे स्लिपरी से होते हैं. And they are even bitter in taste. Why? Have you ever thought कि why they are slippery to touch and bitter in taste? Because they contain, you can say they are made up of base. So all these properties are due to the presence of base. So substances that contain bases are basic substances. Okay. You can take some more examples like toothpaste, baking soda, and many other things which have bases in it. Types of bases. Now you can see there are different types of bases. Next we study about types of bases. Okay, now the bases, they can be classified into two types. One is strong base and another is weak base. Okay, strong base are those bases which are corrosive in nature, which may result in skin burns or can be harmful to us. And examples of such type of bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Next is weak bases. Weak bases are those substances which are not corrosive in nature. Okay, and for example magnesium hydroxide, copper hydroxide, etc. Next is properties of bases. So first property, as I have already explained you, is bases are bitter in taste. क्या टेस्ट होता है बेस का? They are bitter in taste. कैसा फील उनको टच करने से लगता है? They feel soapy and slippery to touch. Then they turn red litmus to blue litmus. लिटमस का मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, ये हम आगे पढ़ेंगे अभी. ये इंडिकेटर्स होते हैं, ये हेल्प करते हैं हमें बताने में कि वेदर द सब्सटेंस इज़ acidic or basic in nature. Next is some bases, they dissolve in water. Okay, they are known as alkalis like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Now bases, they react with metals to form salt. Now this is very important thing. Whenever any base react with metal, suppose zinc is a metal, and if we add sodium hydroxide into it, so what reaction will take place? And the final product will be Na2ZnO2, that is a salt, which is known as sodium zincate, and hydrogen gas is produced. So whenever any base it react with metal, एक तो salt बनता है और hydrogen gas release होती है. Zinc, it get combined with this base, metal gets combined with the base, they form a salt and hydrogen gas is released. Okay, next one more thing here I want to tell you, that whenever any acid it reacts with any base, it forms a salt and water. I have not mentioned here, जब भी कोई base, मतलब suppose NH4OH, it is a base, ammonium hydroxide, it reacts with HCl. HCl is hydrochloric acid. What is formed? Ammonium chloride is formed, NH4Cl plus water is released. So we can quickly understand one more time that whenever any metal it metal it reacts with any base, okay, what is formed? Salt plus hydrogen gas is released. Very important thing. Any metal it react with base, salt is formed and hydrogen gas is released. And next important property is whenever any acid it reacts with base, it forms salt plus water. Okay, so I hope you have understood about this properties of bases. Next is uses of base. Different bases have different uses. First is sodium hydroxide. ये यूज़ होता है सोप्स और डिटर्जेंट्स बनाने के लिए. मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इट इज़ यूज्ड एज एन एंटासिड. आप लोग ने कभी वर्ड सुना है मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया? when you have excess secretion of acid in your stomach, I have told you na there is acid which is present in your stomach. So what happened, you feel that acidity in your stomach, you feel discomfort, you feel there is stomach ache, so you take antacids. Okay, antacid it contains base which neutralize. क्या करता है वो base जो है milk of magnesia या डाइजीन जो आप लेते हो, it neutralizes acid which is produced in your stomach और antacid work करता है in relieving the symptoms of acidity. So उस antacid के अंदर या डाइजीन के अंदर क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. नेक्स्ट इज अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. इट इज़ यूज्ड एज फर्टिलाइजर्स. some calcium hydroxide it is used in cement factories, bleaching powders. Another potassium hydroxide it is used as a potash in batteries industries and in manufacture of fertilizers and soft soaps. So different types of bases are used for various purposes.